New York meet and greet. Y'all ain't even ready. Y'all ain't ready. Yo, I'll be in New York, son. Yo. How do you guys talk in New York? Do you say son and yo? Do you do no? Yeah, I don't know. So I'll be in New York. I'll be in New York on the 28th for my classes, for my hands-on makeup classes for New York. It's 3 days. It's from the 28th to the 30th. If you need more information on that, you can definitely check out my website. My website has the pricing. My website has the discount code. Has the not discount code, what you call it? The early bird special, which is discounted. So I can't say discount. On our website, there's a discount if you go on my website right now to check out my New York classes, hands-on classes. I'll be in New York and I'll be in Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn. Well, I don't even know the sign for New York. You see, I am so Jamaican that I don't even know the sign for New York, you guys. I don't know. Is it like what's New York, Brooklyn? This is what's H-Town, something like this, or LA. I think this is LA. Yeah, I think it's LA. But I'm not going to LA. I'm going to New York. I'm gonna be in New York on the 28th to the 30th. To the 30th of September for my hands-on classes. But I'll be having a meet and greet in New York on the 27th of September in Brooklyn, New York. So the meet and greet is just me talking to you guys, those who live in New York, those who can make it over to Brooklyn or whatever. I want to meet with y'all, man. Like, and I want to talk to you. I don't know what to do. I feel so weird telling you about a meet and greet that I'm nervous about, because I'm like, crap, I'm gonna have to get my dress done. I'm gonna have to get something custom made, boo-boo. Like, New York. I can't believe I'm smiling because it feels so real to me. Like, I've always thought about it and it feels so real to me now. That's why I'm smiling like this. It feels so real to me. And if you've been following me on my vlog channel and you saw the video where I was updates and apologies, you guys, and you know what happened to my Instagram, you guys know that a lot is happening in my life. But God. Wow, God is amazing. He's amazing. Yeah, so right now I want to let you guys know that I'll be having a meet and greet in New York, and I'll have a page on my website that tells you everything about it, because I just want to tell you guys about it before it was too late. But it will be in Brooklyn, New York, and I think we're going to have it at the same shop that we'll be having the makeup classes. We're going to have it there as well, because it's big enough. It can hold 40 people, so it's big enough to have the classes there, and it's also big enough to have the meet and greet there. And you know, we're just gonna have some music, some drinks, to be taking pictures. And what I was talking to my friend, I was like, yo, I'd really love to go with the girls, like, you know, to probably, we can go like to a restaurant or something, like all of us go to the restaurant, like seat for, I don't know how much people going to come, but seat for how many of them, I don't know. But if you know of any good, come, hold it down and push. Hold down the lock and put in a lock, you know. Yeah, Keisha. Yeah, nothing keep me so color back here. Come on, you do something from a special part earth. Yeah, I do. Yeah, man, definitely. Lot, you know my address, lot 570. Yeah, mommy address for me. Yeah, so where was I? Yes, so it will be in Flatlands. We're thinking of having it in Flatlands, New York, the same place that we're having the classes, and I am smiling from ear to ear. So if you're in New York or Brooklyn and you know of a restaurant that we can go, it can be outside or inside, but I know we're gonna get really loud, and I know we'll be taking a lot of pictures, like, oh, let me take a selfie. You know what I mean? So if you guys know of anywhere in New York that we can do that at, let me know. Let me know, boo-boo. Let me just comment below and let me know. And I am going to have a mailing list set up. Hopefully I'll see how it works out, because I'm redoing my website, so everything is like happening all at once, and I'm really excited about it. So the point is, New York meet and greet, the 27th of September, and by the time this video goes out, you'd have already seen it on Instagram, so you would know the time, because I have not worked out the time. I just want you to put the 27th of September all up in your calendar, all up in your iPhone, all up in your Samsung, all up in your computer, all up in your what? Okay, yeah. So I'm done. This video is done, and I'm excited. I can't wait. I hope people show up. I'm nervous. I'm not Lars. What am I doing? Show up. Epic fail. But yeah, so meet and greet Brooklyn, New York, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and I'll see y'all on the Instagrams and all the Facebooks and all them other stuff. Talk to you later. I'm done. I am completely done. My cheeks hurts.